Okay, I'm currently working on the new UI layout tool rulers, and I've been going back and forth on quite a few things. So maybe if anyone out there has an opinion, always welcome. First thing about this ruler you'll notice is that there's no ticks on the actual non-paper area, and then paper area is highlighted. I think that's okay, but I'm not certain I'll like that long term. Another thing is these divisions are not actually pixel, they're proportion. So this is like half, this is quarter, this is an eighth. As you zoom in and out, that breaks down more, but it's always proportional, not pixel. And the reason I think that might be okay is that when you actually click on a selected object, you get the pixels, the start and the end, the top and the bottom. And in the center here, we get the width and the height. And we can move the object on that width and height marker, or obviously, or not obviously, but less usefully, we can scale it horizontally. Maybe it's useful, not sure. Vertical and horizontal scale. And of course, you can still scale horizontally and vertically, and they update in real time. I'm kind of wondering if these divisions make sense or if we need actual pixels. Pixels tend to get very confusing to look at, and we have the pixels with selection. This also works on multiple selections, obviously. Do we need the off-page ticks? Does this center, is it more useful to have this center thing being the width staying constant, or do we actually want the center point? And the next thing is guidelines, and I'm wondering, when you show the rulers, do you always want to see the guidelines, or is there sometimes you want to see one and not the other? And then the other thing is, when you show the guidelines, do you always want to snap to the guidelines? I think that's a yes, but every IDE I see in the world has show guidelines and snap guidelines, show objects, or show grid, snap to grid separately. I've never found that useful. I've often found that the grid's showing and it's not snapping, and it's really annoying. So, but maybe I'm wrong there, or maybe I'm alone there. Okay, that's it.